In this video, you will get bite-sized lessons from this #1 bestseller book. I'm offering this lesson to you for free as part of my company's mission to help you reach your music dreams and have fun along the way. You will find the playlist with all videos from this course in the video description and comments. There may be information in previous videos that will make the video you are watching now easier to understand. I recommend watching the videos in order. Hi, I'm Dan Spencer, author of the Best Music Theory book for beginners. Over 5,000 people have purchased this book, pushing it to hit #1 bestseller in its category on Amazon. Finally, if you would like to get this #1 book, the workbook, for free, along with quizzes, interactive flashcards, and more bonuses, links are in the video description and in the comments. And now, here is the next lesson and the Best Music Theory course, Level 1. In this lesson, you are going to learn all about a count-in and actually learn how to perform a count-in for yourself. So a count-in is giving a beat or a pulse with spoken words or sounds, so musicians can start making music at the same time and at the same speed as each other, or that you can set yourself up for success and tell yourself what speed you're going to be doing the music at. So this is like an on your mark, get set, go, or a ready, steady, go for musicians. The beginning of the following songs feature a count-in. You can actually pause this video and go listen to them. They're in the description below. I Saw Her Standing There by The Beatles, Patience by Guns N' Roses, and Hey Ya by Outkast. And you will hear at the beginning of each one of those songs a 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, or in the case of Hey Ya, a 1, 2, 3, And those sounds and words are a count-in. They're telling everyone involved in making the music how fast the song is going to be and when the song is going to start. So go ahead, pause this video, give that a listen, and then pop back in, and you are going to learn how to perform a count-in for yourself. You are going to learn how to do a count-in in groups of 4, which is what you just heard in all 3 songs. I Saw Her Standing There, Patience, and Hey Ya. There was 1, 2, 3, 4 that happened before the music started. So you're going to learn how to do that. You're also going to learn how to count in for 3, because in this book and in this course, you're going to be actually working in groups of 4 and in groups of 3. Set a metronome to 60. Listen to the pulse for a moment, or 4, or 5, many moments, until you can really anticipate the speed of the pulse and where the next pulse is going to be. So you're listening to the metronome until you can hear the pattern and anticipate when the next click is going to happen. Once you feel like you know when that next click is going to happen, you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 aloud with each number you speak happening at the same time as a click. Just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Now try to be precise as possible. Speak exactly with the clicking sound, not before or after. Just like in the last lesson, we wanted to clap exactly with the click. Here's a count in for 4 one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. To count into 3, we're going to follow the same process. We're going to listen to the metronome until we can anticipate when the next click is going to happen. So listen. Once you feel like you can anticipate and feel when that next click is going to happen, you're going to count 1, 2, 3, along with the metronome, with each number lining up with a click, like this. 1, 2, 3. Do it again. Listening. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. That is how you perform a count-in. Practice doing a count-in with a free metronome, and I will see you in the next lesson. Oh, but it's not over yet. Click here to watch the next video lesson, or up here for the full video playlist.